I can Ward 4 Unikoko boots and we're 4 pulling units here by now. This is 1:35 p.m. By now on Weber the INEC ad hoc workers Abiaber ụfọdụ na-abịa na ndị mmadụ na-apụ ebido esetibere ọdị ife ka ebido voting. Everywhere is open. Abia buru isi drop ihe ebe a naba anya from mmadụ ebe a. So atụ ha akwụkwọ n'ụkpọ Ward 4 Unikoko Hall n'ebe
Azia Ward. Emere election na Azia Ward tata. Nke a bụ 001, 002 and 009. So 3 polling units ka ebito their paper. So 3 polling units ka ebute. So we insisted that now I am on vote unless they will the whole material for the remaining 10 polling units. So as it stands, MA election na Azia Ward, here local government. Reporting from Azia Ward is Christian Ejimofo. Thank you.
Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.